Introduction to Data Science Careers.
Data science is a fast-growing field blending statistics, computer science, and domain knowledge to discover insights and drive decisions. Demand for skilled data scientists spans industries like healthcare, finance, and technology. If you're starting from scratch, a clear and structured learning path will help you break into this exciting career with confidence.
Building a strong foundation, math and statistics.
A solid grasp of math and statistics is crucial in data science. Focus on key concepts such as probability, descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and linear algebra. These form the backbone of most data analysis techniques. Numerous online courses and textbooks can help you learn these fundamentals, often without any advanced prerequisites.
Mastering programming and tools.
Data scientists use programming to manipulate and analyze data. Python and R are the most popular languages in the field. Learn how to write code, use data libraries like Pandas and NumPy, and work with Jupyter Notebooks. Practice by solving real-world problems and participating in coding challenges to build your confidence.
Learning data handling and visualization.
Handling large data sets and clearly presenting results is a core skill for data scientists. Learn to clean and prepare data, identify and fix errors, and visualize findings using tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau. Practice organizing and communicating data-driven insights to make your analyses understandable and impactful.
Understanding machine learning fundamentals.
Machine learning is a cornerstone of modern data science. Study core topics like supervised and unsupervised learning, regression, classification, and model evaluation. Use frameworks like scikit-learn to build simple models. Build foundational projects, learn from open datasets, and gradually advance to more complex algorithms.
Gaining practical experience and building a portfolio.
Apply your skills through real projects, participate in competitions, contribute to open source work, or analyze publicly available datasets. Build a portfolio showcasing your full process, from data cleaning to modeling and presenting results. Share your code and results on platforms like GitHub or Kaggle to demonstrate your expertise.
Preparing for the job market.
When you're ready to begin your career search, focus on resume building, developing interview skills, and networking. Highlight your hands-on projects, technical skills, and ability to communicate insights. Join data science communities online and attend meetups or webinars to stay up to date and make valuable connections in the field.